Hello, my name is Ben Turner from Kai Designs. I'm here to bring you a tutorial on how to get free hosting for your custom Facebook tab integrated with Showit. The feature is for specifically for people that are hosted by Showit and they need FTP access to be able to save files online. First thing we'll do is you go to the site is 000webhost.com. Once you get in and get an account, you'll fill out the basic information. They will, here it is right here. Once you get logged in, you'll enter in the free subdomain, which they recommend. Don't use a domain that you already have, and just put your domain name there, and then remember what it is afterwards, .herobow.com. Tomorrow it may be something different. Fill out the rest of the form. And then once you get past that, you go through the check with your email address, you'll get to this page. This is your cPanel. In your cPanel, you will see files, and you'll see a file manager. In your file manager, you'll have, it'll come up with a public.html folder. You'll click on the public.html folder, and then you'll create a tab, and I've already done a few here. I'll create a new one for the purpose of this one. And I will call this one Portfolio, and then I will go with it and go back to our page here, and you'll see this Portfolio directory. I'll click Portfolio, and then I will do a new file. The new file name, we'll call it index.html, and then we'll go over to Showit. And I've created a Facebook style group, and you can download it from my site, and it brings it up and it kind of gives you directions and a space to load information for a Facebook style group. So this is the data here. I kind of move stuff around. You can put it wherever you want and make it look however you want. You can use any of the features, the galleries, video, whatever you want from Showit. Once you get it, and once you get this page published, you'll go to share, no JavaScript code, make sure you type in the right width and height just like it tells you to do. Copy the clipboard information, go back over to our web host, and here it says enter code here. So we'll delete that information, and then we will paste the data straight from Showit, and we'll save it. So now we'll go back to our cPanel FTP area here, and we'll notice it says public.html portfolio, and then inside there it has your index.html. Remember all this information. We will go back over to our page, our apps, and we'll set up a new app. The app name, we'll call this one Kai Portfolio. And we'll agree to the terms of service, create the app, go through Facebook security check. Got lucky with this one. This one looks easy, TWUOE. We'll submit. Then we'll be taken to the edit for our app as soon as Facebook decides, okay, so Kai Portfolio is the application name, description, call it whatever we want. Portfolio, whatever, doesn't matter. Change your icon, and then you want to select something that's within the parameters. I have this plate that will load up. We'll go into the Facebook integration, and this is where it's important to put something unique. And I'll put 3 G's, 2 T's, and a Y, just because it's something unique. Here we'll type in the page to our site that we just created with 00 web hosting. Remember this one for mine was kaidesigns.site50.net. And if there's any question where that's found, you can go back over to your account here. And if you look in the top right-hand corner, kaidesignsite50.net. So then, also while you're here, I like to do this. It kind of sets it, makes everything happen. Okay, site50.net. Then it was portfolio. I don't know why I'm having trouble with that. And then we want to put the slash mark at the end over here, and then we'll copy this. Then we'll over to tab URL, and we'll paste that. All right, one more time. And then this one you'll index .html because that's what we entered in there. Then we will make sure that we want to auto resize and save changes. Canvas page must be at least 7 characters long. So back over here, and let's do 2 Ys. Okay, now we have created our app. I'm going to go back over it one more time. In our settings, in application name, you can put icons, logos, the Facebook integration page, whatever site you have, portfolio / here, you just add the index.html. We want to give it a tab name so that something's automatically up there. We can change that once you get onto your page. We will enter portfolio, save changes. Now that we've got it in here, we will I go to the application profile page, and we will add to my page, and then you can select the page that you want to add it to. And we're going to add it to Kai Designs, and then close the page. Then we go back over to Kai Designs, and we will click More, and we'll see this portfolio that we added with the dish is now available. And the content that we added from Show It is right here. If there's any questions, feel free to drop me a line on email at ben@kaidesigns.com.